Namaste. Many patients has a bite problem. The common bite problems are underbite, overbite, crossbite. Today I will talk about overbite. Overbite is one of the most common bite issue in which upper front teeth overlaps the lower front teeth more than the normal. So the normal overlap is around 2 to 4 millimeter. In case of overbite, it is more than 4 millimeter. Any overlap beyond 4 millimeter is called as overbite. Overbite can be because of the dental issue or because of the skeletal issue. Dental issue is very less common and it usually happens because of the crowding, and it is called as a class 2 malocclusion. Usually overbite happens because of the skeletal issue, because of the underdevelopment of the lower jaw. So in this patient, usually their lower jaw is backwardly placed, the chin is retruded. What are the causes for overbite? Usually it's genetic. If parents has overbite, then there are high chances their kids might also have a overbite. Another reason is some habit during the childhood or injury during the childhood, which leads to underdevelopment of lower jaw. Again, it may be related to the abnormal development of the jaw. What problems happens because of the overbite? In overbite, usually patients' most common issue is chewing. Because their bite is not normal, they are not able to chew their food properly. Second issue is appearance. Their lower jaw is backwardly placed, so their look is not normal. Third problem, because of the overbite, they may have an issue with the jaw pain. Fourth issue, because of abnormal bite, they might have a teeth and gum issues like gum inflammation and infection. How can we treat overbite? In case of overbite because of the dental issue, we can treat it with the braces without any surgery. In case where the overbite is because of the skeletal issue, we usually require braces treatment along with the surgery. Most of the time in overbite issue, we can do surgery first approach. To correct the overbite, usually we have to do mandibular advancement surgery. Many times this surgery is associated with the advancement genioplasty. In case of severe problem or in case where the problem lies with the upper jaw, we have to do bijaw surgery with genioplasty. What would be the cost of overbite correction? For overbite, the braces cost can be somewhere around 35,000 to 80,000, and for corrective surgery it may be from 1.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs. If you have overbite issue, please contact on this number for more details. Thank you.